everybody, it's Nate from Geezer Skate, and I'm on a road trip. Today, I'm out here in Pueblo, Colorado at this killer park in just off of 8th Street here, just a little east of downtown. And this park is really cool. As you know from Dallas, Texas, we've got a lot of big parks out there, but this one is really unique. It's got a lot of killer terrain. Got a lot of unique things that we don't have at some of the parks out in Texas, so it's really neat to come out and see this, get to skate a different park. It's nice and early right now on a school day, so no one's really out here, so I've got the park to myself. But anyways, hope you enjoy this skate through and maybe some old man geezer skating. It's my birthday week this week, just turned 44, getting up there. Still got a little bit to catch up to the grind father and mad dog Mark Dick, but I'm gaining on you guys. And do you have an Instagram or anything?
I do. It's at Mariana, and the A's are replaced with ones.
Okay.
Yes.
Awesome.
And so yeah, I have a lot of skate videos. Love to skate.
Awesome.
Love the skate scene here.
Awesome. If you don't mind, we're going to feature some of you skating here.
Oh, definitely. That sounds awesome.
Awesome.
This is the newest park built here in Pueblo. We have 3 parks. The other 2 aren't as nice. This is on the east side over here. It's helped the community out a lot over here on this side of town. And I'd like to say it's the most underrated park in Colorado because a lot of people don't know about it. And if they do, just come check it out.
Awesome.
So this is a Burt slide.
Burt slide.
Burt slide, yes.
All right.
Cheated it. Did you see this right here?
Uh-huh.
That was from me and that was horrible.
Really?
Yeah, like even just a little one like this. And do you see what we did?
Yep, I do.
We got extremely lucky.
So lucky.
I love skateboarding.
How long have you been doing it?
2 years.
2 years?
Yes.
Awesome.
It was like for the first year, I could say about 3 years, but the first year was so on and off.
Yeah.
Now it's just consistent, and that's progression. Comes from consistency.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
And if you don't mind asking, how old are you now?
I'm 27.
27?
Yes.
So you started at 24 roughly?
Roughly, yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. Skateboarding keeps you young. It does. Yeah.
That was awesome.
Thank you. Thanks for filming.
Awesome.
That's cool.
And what are you riding here?
This is a Superior board, and it has independent trucks, Bones wheels. Want to shout out SoCo Skate Shop on Santa Fe. It's our local skate shop. Also very underrated.
Awesome.
Yes.
hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell to let you know when new videos are dropping.